In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update and verify your bank account for Etsy. Keeping your bank details up to date is really important because this is how Etsy sends you your payouts. If anything is wrong here, your payments can be delayed or even fail. So let's walk through the process slowly and clearly. First, head over to your Etsy Shop Manager dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct seller account in your browser. Then go to your Shop Manager. This is the main control center for everything related to your shop, including listings, orders, and of course, your finances. Once you're in Shop Manager, look over to the left-hand column. Here you'll see a menu with different options. Find the option labeled Settings. This is where Etsy keeps most of your account and shop configuration tools. Click on Settings, and then within that menu, look for the section called Finances. This is the area that controls how you get paid and how your money flows in and out of Etsy. Go ahead and click on Finances. Inside Finances, you'll see several options. You want the one called Payment Settings. This is where your bank account information is stored. Click on Payment Settings to open the page. On the Payment Settings page, look for an Edit button near your current bank account details. Clicking Edit will allow you to change the existing information or add a new bank account if needed. Now, you'll see a field for your bank name. Click into the bank name field and start typing the name of your bank. Be sure you select the correct bank from any suggestions that appear and double check the spelling so there's no confusion. Next, you'll need to choose your account type. Etsy usually lets you pick between a checking account and a savings account. Select the type that matches the account you actually use for receiving business payments, typically a checking account. Then click into the account number field and carefully enter your bank account number. Take your time here and verify each digit, ideally comparing it with your bank statement or banking app. After that, click into the bank code field and add the required bank code, such as a routing number or local equivalent, exactly as provided by your bank. When everything looks correct, click on Save and Verify Account. Etsy will use this information to verify your bank details, and once verification is complete, your updated account will be ready to receive payment.